Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Vanessa Antonio, 31 years old, and I'm married. I have three kids. All of them are boys.
Okay, and are you high school or college graduate?
I'm finished my college.
And what course did you take?
I take food technology, sir.
Food technology, okay. And do you have any working experience as a domestic helper?
My working experience is already here in the Philippines, sir.
For how many years have you worked as a domestic helper?
For 2 years already, sir.
Okay, when did you start working?
From April 10, 2002 to June 14, 2004, sir.
Okay. And how many are there in the family?
There are six
Family members?
Six family members, including my sir and mom, sir.
Okay, and how old are the kids?
The older is 5 years old, second 3 years old, and the third 2 years old.
Okay.
And the youngest is newborn baby.
Newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and were you the one taking care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and is your madam working?
Yes.
Was your madam working?
Sir?
Or she is a housewife?
Housewife already.
Housewife.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and could you tell me your duties as their domestic helper?
My duties is cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
Okay.
Take care of the baby also.
And the other children?
And the other children, sir.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have 3 boys.
Yes, sir.
And how old are they?
My children is, and the older is 9 years old. Second is 7 years old, and the youngest is 1 year old, sir.
1 year old?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and who's going to take care of your children and your 1-year-old son when you go to Hong Kong?
My parents and my husband also will take care of my family and my children when I'm working in Hong Kong, sir.
I see. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my future of my children, sir.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of big dogs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to sing a children's song.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fly, 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 the butterfly in the garden is flying high. In the meadow is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am an honest person, hardworking, and I will do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Vanessa Antonio, and
Thank
I
you,
hope
sir.
to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye.